So welcome back to our channel One2 Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can delete your system data in your MacBook. So guys, if you're having problem with your storage when you want to delete the system data, then this video is for you. Just go ahead and open settings first. And once you're in the settings, just go ahead and open general, and now you'll see many options like about, software update, your storage, airdrop and handoff, login items, and many more. Just go ahead and open storage, and now you see system data right here. So guys, you cannot just directly delete your system data. Instead of that, you can go to your Finder and clear your downloads and your documents. These are what make up most of your system data. So if you just go ahead and clear all of them, then your system data would automatically be reduced and be deleted or cleared. You can also choose this option that says optimize storage. Just go ahead and tap there and select on optimize. And once you select there, that will also help you with the system data. You can also choose to turn on the trash. That will automatically delete any of the files that you've sent to trash. And guys, that's how you delete your system data in your MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.